The 2021 release of Maptek Sentry software looks better, runs faster, is simpler to use and has greater integration with the Maptek product suite. Joining the Maptek Workbench platform means the monitoring solution can deliver enhanced interoperability with other Maptek products. Sentry Office can now be licensed online with Maptek account and acquired and updated through the Workbench Download Manager. A new ribbon interface in Sentry Office increases the visibility of functions, enhancing your user experience. Transfer scans between Sentry and Point Cloud modelling and analysis package Point Studio with a positioning support feature. Zones created in one package appear in the other, helping with analysis. Sentry scans are now able to be coordinated to mine grids in the field, streamlining interoperability. Zone name toggling increases data visibility. Sentry databases now contain single scenes to streamline data management and enhance performance. And a rollback feature now works live in the field. Sentry 2021 gives you greater ability to monitor, analyse and report on surface movements. Find out more at maptek.com.